Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunity. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show. We are Wednesday, February 1st, and first the market rose at the opening, and I had a serious doubt on it right at the beginning this morning because you remember yesterday afternoon we had an unjustified movement. We could not justify it at all. And this morning, still again, the market rose at the opening, but ever since, it kept going down. The Dow has been negative about 3-4 times already. It's reversing right now. It's changing direction. It looks like it could change direction at the moment. This afternoon, it's the FOMC at 2 o'clock. There won't be any speech from Janet Yellen, but they will report it. And so anything can happen. So at the moment we have a little downward movement from the gold sector, and some of the other sector are pulling back because it's been negative all morning. Now we do have plus 16 on Nasdaq, plus 13 on the Dow Jones, minus 36 on the TSX, and the market rose this morning because of the job that came out better. They had 153,000 before. The estimate is 168, and they got 246. And also there was a report about apples for the Christmas and New Year's holiday period. So they are showing an increase of the phone sales. But despite that, they are still showing a net earning decreasing by 2.6%. So, there is no bullish momentum anywhere right now on no sector at all. So right now we don't know. We have to wait. We have to wait until what's going to happen because it's not positive at all. So many sectors in the TSX are near breaking down. No matter what we had in the news over the last few days, it doesn't seem like the market believes in the short-term recovery. So look, the Nasdaq rose this morning and came back. So we don't know where this is going so far. And the Dow Jones is on a support, has canceled most of the last bullish cycle. On the SPY, it's the same, and the TSX is even becoming negative. So a little bit more on the downside, and we would be breaking the short-term support. So I think in this situation, we better stop buying and just hold what we have and check out for potential breakdown, because in some cases there are many supports that are near breaking down, like the consumer discretionary, consumer staples, and many other sectors like industrials also that are sitting on the support. Nothing major so far. It just has been a little correction, but who knows what's going to happen. And but it's now getting quiet because it's just past 12:30 and the FOMC report is at 2 o'clock. So, and we see right now there's some kind of a reversal attempt on the Nasdaq market, but nothing strong so far. And all markets are doing the same thing. It's just that we may have reached a very short-term support during the day so far. And if you look at the gas went up this morning, and now we have almost nothing left. And on USO it was the same. So we had a little bit of an upward movement this morning, but it came back. And the stock rose at the opening and still comes back ever since. So it's not positive at all. So look at the gold. It went down, and then we had a little bit of an upside, but it's going down again, and the stock keeps going down. It's not breaking the support, but I mean, right now it seems like it wasn't a signal, first of all, this morning. But anything that may look positive this morning is no longer positive because all of this movement came back. So let's see the situation in the energy sector. You see USO rose again this morning, and it's now back to almost zero. And the gas made a little jump up, it looked like it was going to build a support, but so far it's not a very strong support. And the stocks reacted a little bit on the upside, but now they're still sitting on the support, so a little bit lower than that, and it will begin a new bearish cycle. Quite a few stocks has started going down already. Look at yesterday, Black Pearl was breaking down. 3 days ago, it was Keyera breaking down. And you have Birch Cliff here at a very, very important support that still put pressures on the downside. And Crescent Point is doing the same. Husky is coming back, and Bridge is plunging, and Cenovus is there too, arriving to a major support, but still on its way down. And Pembina Pipeline, and Crew Energy, and Canadian Natural Resources, and Peyto. The rest of the sector is little bounce back. You know, look, it's very small, nothing major. Trican was strong already, but you know, most of the movement looked like this one here, not credible at all. For the gold is coming back down, and the stocks as well. So it seems like New Gold has reached it's the bottom of this cycle so far, and we have Oceana Gold, B2 Gold, and Richmond Mines that are doing well. But for the rest of it, no, I mean they're pretty flat. Most of the stocks are flat. There's only 2 or 3 of them that continues going up, but in most cases, most of the gold stocks are very flat. In the mining, we had a little bit of an upward movement, but very small on Capstone. Taseko still stays at the top. Hudbay also, but near breaking down. And, you know, so there's no bullish momentum there at all. Northern Dynasty holds on for the moment, and 350 would be the reversal of that last bullish cycle. We do have a few questions here. Hello, Michel. Good work. Can you tell me when exit Cara in the U.S.? We have so many questions about Cara in the U.S. No, that's not that one. It's another Cara. It's another Cara on Nasdaq. Oof. When to exit? I mean, we don't see any exit point so far. The stock is doing very well. You didn't say how much you paid for it, but no matter if you bought it in the last 6 months, you are making money. And so far, so good. Look, this is the movement, and so far. So don't. You certainly have quite a bit of profit on it, I suppose. So far, do not escape this position unless the cycle would be broken. So right now would be like $15 or maybe $16, but at least don't do anything until the stock has turned and reversed for $1 to $1.50. Right now it's pretty hard to know where. It would have been helping to know where you bought this, but so far, you know, I think until it goes lower than 16, I would hold all of the position and sell half if it touched 16 or 15.75. We're going to the break.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
And the next question from Dancing. Good moment to buy CR on Toronto? Not at all. Not at all. Look, we had a big bearish cycle there that broke many supports. This one, this one, this one, and this one, you know, and we're past everything now. Going to reach 532, the next support. So the stock is really going down and still going down at the moment. So forget about it. We don't know when it's going to be the time to buy, but it's certainly not the moment right now. This morning, IVN 3,000 at 409 looked like a new movement. You think? I don't know. Look at this. Okay, that's what you saw here, 409. Okay, let's see it first of all. Okay, if I look at it on no, not that. 5 minutes will be better. Okay, so you bought it 409 right here because on the very, very short term you saw it as at a nice movement, of course. But if you look at the whole sector, though, the sector would not approve this. And if you look at the movement on the daily chart, I think it's a little bit early, unless this was a movement for an hour or two that you were getting in, like day trading stuff. But on swing trading, the stock wasn't quite ready yet. So I would have preferred something like, what is it, 425 and 420 at least. You know, the last 2 days that are here, that is the thing. And this quote here is 433. Maybe a little bit too far, but I'd say like I would have waited until 420 At the moment, it's tough because you're not in profit anymore from 409, so you bought it on the top. So one thing I have to tell you, don't hold it past 395 or 393 because then it would be a sell signal. FGD 26,000 at 34, sold 34. So you bought it 26,000 here, you sold 16,000 here at 45. So 34, 45, 11 cents. So 23. So your cost now is 23 cents for even less because you sold 16 out of 26. So maybe like 20 cents approximately. So right now, what you got to do is to check this, and it seems it's going very well so far. So I would say, like, you could maximize in putting a stop loss at 42 because, because here it would be a almost price fade, 34. So when it really breaks. So in order to maximize, because if it goes this way, it'll go further. We'll see where you can buy it back. So far, don't put the last 10,000 at 42 stop loss. Your opinion on UR? Eurocast Corp. I don't know what this is. Eurocast Corp. It looks good. It's a software technology company. Oh, it's been there for a while. Forget about this little thing here. That's what we see here. And but so far it's been a few days on sideway. So it's a buy at 145, and it's a sell at 130. Respond on Cara, this stock is the leading edge in cannabis sector. That's why I think the other stock like CANN, USA, CGC, ABC, in that sector will follow. Oh, I didn't know Cara was the leading stock in cannabis. Let's see. Oh yeah. I didn't know. I thought it was just a biotech or something. And oh man, so what was the question again? Can you tell me where to exit? Okay, but still I have the same answer. You still did not tell me when, if you bought it and at what price. So you say it's the leading one, but you said also when to exit. So it's very difficult. So I'll say, as I said, if you have it, sell at a little bit under 15 and 16 and 15 are the next selling point, not before that. Okay, we're in the last minute. I have no question anymore. Let's see what's going on. Okay, it did not really continue. The market did a little rebound, but it's stuck there. So I don't expect to see much stuff until 2 o'clock. It's 1:45 right now. And the FOMC will talk at 2. So we'll either get deeper or have some surge on the upside, but who knows what they're going to come out with. So that's we are quite dependent of what they say. So let me give a look at what happened in the TSX, but it's very boring at the moment. There is nothing else moving. So we're still under a correction here. We still have many sectors that are showing definitely a risk of a breakdown. So that's why I suggest to hold on the buys right now and check for the sector that are sitting under support. If they start breaking down, reducing in the position in those sectors would be a good idea. And when I see the gold pushing back up a little bit, makes me think that the other sector may start coming back down once more. But it's at 2 o'clock that we should see really what's going to happen. This is it for now. Thank you very much for being with us still again today. And we'll catch you later. Have a